Did you know that AI agents are now advancing at a speed faster than most of us can keep up with? In fact, the development of AI agents has accelerated over 30% just in the year last year alone. So why should you care? Well, it's because AI agents are changing the way we work, live, and interact with technology. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about something that's not just the future of tech, but the present as well: AI agents. These intelligent self-learning systems are becoming the part of everyday lives, but many people still don't fully understand how they are and how they can be used to their advantage. By the end of this video, you will exactly know what AI agents are and how they are shaping industries across the globe. Now, here's the problem. Despite how powerful AI agents can be, a lot of people still struggle to wrap their head around them. Maybe you have heard the term AI agents tossed around in tech circles, but you're unsure exactly what it means. Some people assume AI agents are too complex robots or futuristic tech, but that's far from the truth. The reality is AI agents are smarter than that. They are autonomous systems that can carry out tasks, learn from the data, and make their own decisions based on what they have learned. However, understanding how to use these agents effectively can be challenging, can be tough, but it's not impossible. Some people think you need to be a coding genius, but no. You just have to be committed. You just have to show a determination to learn it. It's really as simple as that. Others might feel overwhelmed by all the technical jargon, but which makes it hard to know where to start. So where do you even begin? What tool you use and how you integrate AI agents into your daily life or into your business? These are the questions that we are going to tackle today as we explore how anyone, even beginner, can leverage AI agents without needing to become an expert. Let's break it down. There are several types of AI agents that are there, and each of them serves a unique purpose. We have got things like virtual assistants, chatbots, even automated customer support agents. All of these fall under the broad category of AI agents. For example, chatbots are the most common use AI agents you will encounter. They are those little pop-ups on the website that can answer your questions or help you navigate the site. They use natural language processing to understand and respond to your queries, and they get smarter over time by learning from the past interactions. Then there are more complex AI agents like virtual personal assistants like Siri or Alexa. These AI agents can schedule meetings, control smart home devices, and even answer questions, all based on the information they learn about you. AI agents can even automate entire workflow in businesses. That's really smart. For instance, there are AI agents that can manage your social media accounts, automatically posting updates and responding to comments based on the preset guidelines. This kind of automation saves hours of manual work and help business run more efficiently. The best part, you know what is? You don't have to be a tech expert to set up these things up. There are a ton of user-friendly tools that make it easy to deploy agents and start repeating the benefits. Here's the light bulb moment. Let's take a look at a powerful real-world example. A small e-commerce business I know implemented an AI chatbot to handle customer inquiries. Before, they were spending hours answering repetitive questions about shipping, returns, and product information. After integrating the chatbot, they saw a 40% reduction in customer support workload within just 1 month. That's very impressive. But that's not all. The chatbots also provided 24 service, which led to an increase in customer satisfaction and sales. This is just one countless stories where AI agents have transformed businesses and lives. So to sum it all up, AI agents are revolutionizing how we interact with technology, from chatbots to virtual assistants and beyond. These tools are helping businesses and individuals alike automate tasks, increase productivity, and boost efficiency. And you don't need to be an tech expert to get it started. I would love to hear what you think. What AI do you use, and what do you think could change your life and business? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to dive in deeper into AI automation, check out my next video where I go over the top AI automation services that can help you boost your income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.